Welcome to our guided sleep meditation. I'm glad you're here, ready to embark on a journey towards restful sleep. This is a safe space for you to relax, unwind, and prepare your mind and body for deep, rejuvenating sleep. Whether you're a seasoned meditator or new to the practice, know that you're in the right place. Remember, there's no right or wrong way to meditate. It's all about finding peace within yourself. Let's begin. Find a comfortable position in your bed or on a chair, somewhere you can relax fully. Adjust your pillows, blankets, or anything else you need to feel cozy and secure. Close your eyes softly if that feels comfortable to you. Start by focusing on your breath. Don't try to change it, simply observe. Notice the rise and fall of your chest, the coolness of the air as you inhale, the warmth as you exhale. Your breath is the anchor to the present moment, to your body, to your being. Now, let's deepen your breath. Inhale slowly and deeply, filling your lungs completely. Hold it for a moment, then exhale slowly, releasing all the air from your lungs. Repeat this pattern a few more times. Inhale. Hold. And exhale. Each breath invites more relaxation into your body. Next, let's shift our focus to your body. Starting from the top of your head, imagine a warm, soothing light washing over you. This light is heavy, comforting, and carries with it a deep sense of relaxation. Allow it to move slowly down your body, softening each muscle it touches. Notice how your forehead smooths as the light moves across it. Feel your eyes, your cheeks, and your jaw relax. Let this light move down your neck and shoulders, releasing any tension stored there. Allow it to flow down your arms, through your fingertips, down your chest, your belly, your hips. Feel it moving down your legs, relaxing your thighs, your knees, your calves, all the way down to your toes. You are completely enveloped in this warm, soothing light. Your body is relaxed and heavy. You are at peace. Now, let's turn our attention to your thoughts. It's natural for the mind to wander, especially when we're trying to fall asleep. Acknowledge these thoughts without judgment and then let them go. Imagine them as leaves floating down a gentle stream, coming into view and then disappearing downstream. If your mind keeps returning to the same thought or worry, acknowledge it. Say to yourself, I see you, but now is not the time. Give yourself permission to set these thoughts aside for the night. Your only job right now is to relax and rest. Visualize a peaceful place, maybe a serene beach at sunset, a tranquil forest, or a cozy cabin. Imagine yourself there, feeling completely at ease. The air is fresh and cool, the sounds are soft and soothing. In this place, there is no stress, no worry, no to-do lists. There is only peace. Breathe in this tranquility. Let it fill you up. Breathe out any remaining tension, any residual worries. Inhale calm, exhale stress. As we draw this meditation to a close, remember that this peaceful state is always within you. Whenever you find it difficult to sleep, you can return to this place of relaxation and tranquility. Now, bring your awareness back to your breath. Notice how it's slowed down, how your body feels heavy and relaxed. Feel the softness of your bed, the comfort of your blankets. Hear the soft hum of the world outside, distant and unobtrusive. Take a few more moments to enjoy this serene state. Remember, every breath you take is a step closer to a restful sleep. When you're ready, allow your awareness to start fading. Let your thoughts become fuzzy and indistinct. Your body is relaxed, your mind is calm, and you're ready for a night of peaceful, rejuvenating sleep. Remember that it's okay to drift off during this meditation. That's the goal. Allow sleep to come naturally, gently, like a soft blanket being draped over you. Finally, I want to thank you for taking this time for yourself. Sleep is so important, and by prioritizing it, you're showing yourself the love and care you deserve. May your sleep be peaceful and your dreams be sweet. When you wake, may you feel refreshed, recharged, and ready to embrace the new day. That concludes our sleep meditation for tonight. Until next time, sleep well, rest deeply, and dream beautifully. Good night.